So let's say what you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and add in a Google search preview inside of Blogger. So over here, you can see that I have a blog right here. And let's say right after this paragraph, I want to go ahead and add in a Google search. So for that, you can actually go around over here. And here you can see that add Google experience to your post is an option. So here you can see that it says add Google search preview. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube YouTube channel. Let's say, for example, right here. And this actually pops up. If I were to press OK, this gets inserted right here. And then I can go ahead and resize it and keep an image right here just like this. Let me just go ahead and update this. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back. And then let's just go ahead and view the blog. So if I were to go around over here on to read more, you can see that I have TutorTube YouTube channel, Google search right here. So if there's any image associated with it and it's there in Google, it will display that out as well. But if I were to go ahead and click on it, you can see that it searches for TutorTube YouTube channel, and then you can see the results right here just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in a Google search preview inside of Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.